If you're watching this, you likely are hoping to replace your own serpentine belt and didn't realize this belt is stretched to install. There is no belt tensioner. Now, to be clear, I'm not about to show you the correct way to install a stretch belt on this engine. However, I am going to show you a way that I use, and it has proven to work time and time again with as little frustration as possible. For this 1.5-liter engine without a tensioner, you'll want to route the belt as shown, leaving the crank pulley as the last pulley to install the belt on. Now, you notice I have the belt partially started on the bottom side of the crank pulley. I'm using a small needle nose vice grips to tightly hold the belt to the pulley. Then I'm going to begin to slowly rotate the crank pulley using my 1/2-inch ratchet and extension. While I'm rotating, I'm using my other hand to keep the belt from slipping forward off the water pump pulley. Once it pulls tight like you see here, I generally don't need to hold the belt anymore and can keep turning until the belt slides into place. At this point, you can see the belt is not completely centered on the water pump pulley. However, as I continue to turn, the belt slides into place. I've used this procedure many times, and though it's not the correct procedure, it has proven to work well, and I hope it works well for you. If you find information like this useful, please hit the like and subscribe tab. And as always, God bless.